How to activate Google Maps on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the search icon. Go to the search bar and type in the name of the application you want to download. For example, Google Maps. From the results, go to the Google Maps app as shown. As you can see, the Google Maps app is already installed on your phone. Here, tap on Update to update this app. After updating, tap on Open to open the app. You can now use the Google Maps app from here. Now, go back and open up the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Apps. From the Apps list, go to Google Maps. Here, go to Location. You can choose how often you want to allow location access for this app. For example, while using the app. Following these steps, you can easily activate Google Maps on iPhone.